A big match will starting soon. Tamil Nadu between CBSE WSO. Both captain middle in the ground. Tamil Nadu between WSO CBSE. So Tamil Nadu missing here Kartika. Tamil Nadu won the toss and chose the court. So match starting. Tamil Nadu on the right, Korni, 5 number. So definitely Tamil Nadu missing Kartika. As we know, Kartika is a gold star of Tamil Nadu. So third match Tamil Nadu playing here in this tournament. What a excellent start by Cornea. 2 number CBSE WSO on the right. So big challenge for CBSE. Definitely Tamil Nadu excellent work. 2 matches and continue victory. So in real touch, Tamil 11 number. It's a very good performance for the previous 2 matches by this rider, and running attack should be safe. Yes, it is come back with the 2 point here. So Tamil Nadu moves on 3. Very excellent step and running attack, and this time the first point goes to in CBSE. So open his account finally. WSO 1 and Tamil Nadu 3. Welcome all of you. So third day of the tournament. I am Mr. Gajanand Dobra. Welcome all of you from Bhiwani, Haryana. 68th National School Games under 19 boys and girls. CBSE यहाँ पर यासरत जो कि परिसर में दिखाई देता हुआ. Safe return. So now AG on the right. AG Kiare, 6 number, the partner of Cordia. The good tortoise try here. Yes. So safe comeback I think here. Yes, it is. Without any point or bonus. 3-1 score now. CBSE and very well defense of Tamil Nadu, corner, center cover. Good captaincy. So confidence on the cloud line. Do or die. Now 3 number. So little bit pressure on the Tamil Nadu here, but I think it should be danger. Oh, very intelligent dash here. So do die on CBSE. 2 or 3 score now. Oh, what a moment here. Using power of CBSE rider, and finally well come back. Each 3 score now. Oh, what a fly in great touch Cornea. Excellent work here. Double touch. So 5-3 score now. CBSE. Also very well team looking here. So thank you so much. आप सबका स्वागत अभिनंदन. तीसरे दिन का खेल आज यहाँ पहला मैच तमिल नाडु बनाम CBSE WSO. दोनों बेहतरीन टीमें साथ साथ सितारों से सजे हैं. कॉर्निया यहाँ तेजी से आगे बढ़ी. Suddenly goes to for pursuit, but safe CBSE. Cornea, the superstar rider in under 19, but Tamil Nadu missing here of Kartika, under 17, outstanding performance, and that's why Tamil Nadu won the silver medal. Unfortunately, final against Haryana 1 point lose, but here losing point Tamil Nadu 2 point, and once again come back CBSE. CBSE WSO 5 and Tamil Nadu also on score 5. So score now level once again. Number of 7 defense in the chain. What a defense, solid cover to the right corner, and now first time lead on the CBSE. Super tackle is on, under pressure Tamil Nadu. One touch point here, so CBSE WSO now on good situation, but Cornea key of Tamil Nadu. Totas try to, but yes, it is number of 6th point of Tamil Nadu. 6th 7, 1 point margin have CBSE. Superb star for both side. So very tight match, definitely for the last moment. It's a good signature for both side. Cornea continue on the try to work hard, and a very successful runner. Very brave girl, no doubt about. Running just try to continue right to left corner, but not easy as easy against the CBSE. Very honesty is the best policy of for CBSE side, and now comeback of Tamil Nadu. Score level 7 each. 7 Tamil Nadu and CBSE also same score here. Oh, what a catch! Superb taken by Tamil Nadu defender. So injury on Cornea's lips, I think, is little bit problem. So immediately medicine here. So problem for Tamil Nadu side is consistency, definitely. Cornea going to forward after injury. So really a great player of Tamil Nadu side. What a take. Safe comeback. Very well. Star of CBSE WSO. Number of 5 defender. Number 3, the second red in this match by this player. So now on the lead 1 point, Tamil Nadu on 8 and CBSE on 7. Dudai. Second time Tamil Nadu on Dudai. The same player. Oh, self out here, I think. Yes, it is. Radar and out of bounds point goes to for CBSE. CBSE also on Dudai. So score once again level. 8 each. Same side. Score now 8-8. Oh, what a catch once again. It's a main strength of Tamil Nadu here. The shoulder little bit injury here, I think. Now Tamil Nadu once again on the lead 9-8 score. आप सबका स्वागत अभिनंदन इस शानदार कबड्डी टूर्नामेंट 2024-25 में। CBSE 1 पॉइंट मामूली पीछे है, जिसकी बदौलत तमिल नाडु यहाँ चुनौती के लिए तैयार। लेकिन CBSE के स्कूल की जो WSO टीम है बहुत बेहतरीन प्रतिभावान बालिकाएं नज़र आती हुई। तारीफ करनी होगी तमाम छात्राओं की। नंबर 11 कंटिन्यू सेफ कमबैक। गलतियों से बचना चाह रहे हैं, जिस प्रकार से मुकाबला टाइट है। Tamil Nadu on to die once again. AG on the red. So score now 9-8. 1 point lead on Tamil Nadu. Oh, should be days here. Excellent work by WSO CBSC. Do die CBSC. So score now 9 each. What a match. What a aggressive player for both sides. Pressure left right. Oh, should be reaching here. Yes, it is. Super at 3 point taken by this rider of WSO. Last player of the Tamil Nadu, so critical situation for Tamil. Cornea, superstar rider, try to bonus here, but need to touch point at least 1 or 2 for shape to all out. It's a swing immediately, but WSO CBSC will try for catch here. Touch point plus bonus, yes it is. Once again the super red of Cornea. So now we score 11 each. Tamil Nadu 11 and CBSC also 11. Oh. Double touch, so should be all out here. Tamil Nadu first time all out against WSO CBSC. So finally big success of CBSC against Tamil for all out and try to hear bonus on the right corner. Yes it is. 12-14. Sorry, 12-15. 3 point behind Tamil. Current time. What a try, but safe, all is well. Tamil Nadu 7 in will try for once again comeback. So very tough exam for Tamil first time and half time. So score now 16 WSO CBSC and 11 Tamil Nadu. So 5 point behind Tamil against CBSC. Continue scoring officials here. Tea time Gafsam special program. Never forget who will be champion here. Keep connecting us. Welcome. Second half start now. So first half name of CBSC to 5 point lead. What a challenge of CBSC. Tamil first time under pressure looking here. Third day of the tournament, 68th National School Games under 19 girls and boys at Bhiwani, Haryana. So thank you all of you. Oh, what a trial should be. So big effort and excellent defense of CBSC. First point in the second half by defense CBSC on 17, but Tamil continues stealing on 11. Pressure continue on Tamil, so Tamil will want to come back suddenly here, and should be bonus or not, we will have to wait and see. Yes it is, so bonus, and Tamil moves on 12-17, do die. So pressure on Tamil so far in this match. Try bonus here, I think should be bonus goes to for CBSC. No need to risk here, I think. Yes it is, bonus. 18, excellent flying AG in the air, and one more point. (13-18). 5 point difference between these two. Number of 7 defender need to strong defense. bonus try here once again. Maybe. Yes, it is. Now 14. Continue very well work CBSE and try to come back Tamil Nadu. But lack of Kartika. Tamil missing here. Kartika, the under 17 star. Second half. CBSE के पास जिस प्रकार से बढ़त है तमिलनाडु यहाँ प्रेशर में लगातार दिखाई देता है, लेकिन टस 2 पॉइंट यहाँ पे हासिल किए हैं. जी हाँ, डबल टच पॉइंट हियर एंड नाउ स्लोली coming back Tamil in this match. CBSE on the do or die. So situation here, angle hold and excellent work on the right corner. So Tamil now come back. Super tackle on first time. So I think it should be take risk for Tamil Nadu, but passing the time. Now 18 each, 18 Tamil and 18 CBSE. Great comeback by Tamil Nadu. Super tackle continue on. Chance for touch point. I think we'll have to try AG on the red. 6 number. Second successful raider for Tamil side. What a try. Should be 2 or single point here. Double touch. Yes, it is. Color of the CBSE. So chance for all out. We will need to solid defense of Tamil Nadu. Oh, what a effort. Excellent dash here. And finally Tamil Nadu on the lead. Both team one time all out. Tamil Nadu in the first half and CBSE on the second half. So in a good situation now, Tamil once again. Very crucial time and superb comeback. AG on the red once again. Try to continue. Should be touch here. Yes, it is. So continue on the margin, Tamil. So 5 or 6 point margin have Tamil Nadu. Tamil on 23 or 24, but CBSE on 18. Cornea once again. Little bit injury on the lips, but after that continue. Work hard at the try. Total try. Yes, it is. One more point here. So it's a good signature for Tamil. Under pressure now, CBSE. And why not 5 or 6 point behind against Tamil? You can read body language of CBSE. Pressure. Because the match in going for finished. Oh, one more touch point here in the middle. Do die. Oh, what a power of CBSE girl. One more point in CBSE pocket, but behind 5 or 6 point here. And once again a brave girl on the right. Last 5 minutes to go, and what a catch here. Excellent work. Welcome of Tamil Nadu. Defender is So not so good sign for CBSE, but Chen and catch here. Touch point calling of CBSE, but score now 20 and 27. Plus bonus, so 22, 27. 5-point different between both teams. So Tamil Nadu have on the lead. प्रयासरत यह वापसी के लिए CBSE 22 से 27 का स्कोर, 5 पॉइंट की बढ़त और यहाँ बड़ी रन हो सकती है. अच्छा नियंत्रण इस समय और पॉइंट जाता तमिलनाडु खाते में. तमिलनाडु 28 एंड CBSE 22. So 6 point big lead. So very crucial. Sorry, 29. Tamil Nadu, so 7 point lead. So should be goes to for victory Tamil on the continue third match. 29-22 के साथ 7 पॉइंट की बढ़त आ चुकी है तमिलनाडु के पास और इस बढ़त को काटना कठिन चुनौती अब CBSE के लिए नज़र आने लगा है. वेरी टफ एग्जाम फॉर CBSE हियर ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ 7 point lead. Last 3 minutes to go. Big pressure on CBSE without the line touch. Safe comeback. Oh, what happened? Tamil Nadu continue. Very well work here. And big pressure on CBSE. 30-22. On Dudai, CBSE. Seven player of the Tamil Nadu in defense, a very strong defense should be here. Yes, it is. So once again CBSE big pressure, and now might chance for CBSE comeback because Tamil Nadu on big score 31. Super tackle on. So critical situation of CBSE, 9 point behind, 72 and 31. So definitely Tamil Nadu here so much happy. AG on the right. A bite comeback, I think CBSE here because time not so much give permission here. 100 seconds to go, I think. Last 1 minute to go. 60 seconds are left. Score 31 Tamil and CBSE on 72. So 9 point big margin has Tamil. Oh, what a red here. Should be big or not? We will have to wait and see. Yes, it is. Point goes to in Tamil score 32-22. Dudai on Tamil, but super tackle on from two defense. Big pressure and should be reached here. Yes, it is. Single touch point here. 33 and 22. So 11 point big margin, and should be last player here. Number of 6 on the all-out stage. Second time CBSE. So finally Tamil great comeback and big ride here. Yes, it is a super ride. 3 point here. CBSE moves on 25, and that's the finish of the match. And finally Tamil Nadu beat 8 point to CBSE. 33 score Tamil Nadu and CBSE 25. Congratulations and best of luck for the next match Tamil Nadu.